have a lot of good options here in the store to make some Christmas decorations, so I just wanted to talk about a few options here. One of these, this is a True Cut 360, which is a really great product we've previously featured in one of our Flutterbys. But I just wanted to show you how you can use it to nest circles like this so that you can create a wreath shape. This is obviously a small circle, but you can do larger circles on up to 12.5 inches here in diameter. This is an AccuQuilter frame that also can make a circle. So this is another way that you could make the foundation for a wreath or a large Christmas ornament, I guess, with this circle. And here, if you want a fancier wreath, we have these hexagon shapes also for the AccuQuilter. And you can change the number of hexagons you have here to change the size of your wreath if you want to use a wreath for that. You can, of course, also use our AccuQuilter to make the foundation for Christmas trees, other projects like that. And we have a lot of new AccuQuilter dies. So you can cut out stars, Christmas ornaments. Here we have another star, a pointier star, if you can see that. And this is actually a gift tag. So if you're feeling really excited about crafting for Christmas, you can even cut out your own fabric gift tags and put a little interfacing on the back and make your Christmas gifts really unique with fabric tags on them. So come into Birdsong. We can always talk to you about some of these options and talk you through how to do some crafts. Sit and Sew on Tuesday is a great time to come in. We have a lot of experienced quilters who can also talk you through crafting, doing applique with some of these shapes, and creating your own personalized gifts and decorations for the holiday season.